Hey, what's up, Leo? It's Corey. I talked to you a couple days ago. I'm just going to shoot over three free tips on how you can actually start out ranking your competition online and bring in that quality of traffic that you're looking for. I got your website pulled up here. You got a little call out here. I'd blow that up a little bit, give people a money off or percentage off, or get that free estimate and blow that up and do like one of those streaming effects with getting their name, info, address, and all that stuff. Works pretty well. And First thing I'm actually going to go over is content. You got a little bit of content in here. I would beef that up. I like to be around 1,500 to 2,000 words, being really authoric in what you do and how you do it. Plus all these images, it all matters. You got heating one. I'd actually put buying intent keywords back there. It'll make a world of difference for you. If I just go inside of Google here and go type in heating repair Los Angeles, this is what you're going to see. You got these Google guarantees right here at the very top. These are actually another form of paid advertisement, which is brand new for Google. A lot of business owners got so sick of all these spammy phone calls, so Google came up with these Google guarantees to help weave out that spam. Then at the very bottom, you have those old school traditional ads. Which a lot of people have been going away with ads altogether because of those spammy phone calls. This little map section, this is a good amount of traffic, and really to get the rankings here is going to be dealing with a lot of citations. What citations are is it's a business directory with your business name, address, and phone number listed on it. So we want to go get those same citations that your competitors have, whether it's the BBB, Facebook, LinkedIn. You got City Star, the local best. There's thousands of them out there. But anyway, when we want to go get those same ones, and also we don't want to stop there, but we want to go out there and get a lot more as well. Underneath that little map section is really this organic traffic. So really to get the rankings here really comes down to how much authoric content you have on your site, those keywords, and also what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from another website linking back to your website that's just ultimately pushing power back to it. Now, not all backlinks are actually created equal. I took your URL there and stuck it inside of Ahrefs. Ahrefs is just a tool, lets me see what happens behind the scenes of your site. So right now you got 22 referring domains. You have 47 backlinks coming from those. And historically you've had 273. So you're being ranked for 315 keywords, organic reach, by the way. So your organic traffic, you're looking at 178 clicks on average every month to your site. So if we go into the keywords, this is what you're actually being ranked for. You got California air conditioning, energy saver air conditioner, energy saving mode, HVAC Woodland Hills. There's more of a buyer intent keyword. Let me show you one of your competitions on the keywords they're ranking for. This is JW Plumbing and Hair. I'm just going to do a quick overview real quick. So they have 174 referring domains, which is pushing back up 1.76 thousand backlinks. They're being ranked for 1.2 thousand keywords, and in total they're being on average 754 clicks every month to their site. And if we come to their keywords on what they're actually ranking for, they got their name at the top. Heating repair Los Angeles, there's 250 clicks every month. Their fourth position and getting a decent amount of traffic from that. Air conditioning and heating, plumber Beverly Hills, there's 300 clicks every month for there, getting a decent amount of clicks from being in they're actually seventh position on that keyword. HVAC Las Vegas, or excuse me, HVAC Los Angeles, there's 100 clicks every month. There's second position, getting a decent amount of traffic from there. HVAC repair Los Angeles, another 80 clicks. So you can actually cherry pick a lot of these keywords and actually rank them with the content and actually backlinks. Anyway, if you think I might have some tricks that I could use, feel free to give me a call back. My number is 702-292-0810, or at least apply these 3 free tips for yourself. Thanks so much. Have a good day.